Hey guys, this is Mr. H. I am going to do question number 25 from the January 2023 Regents exam, and then I'm going to upload it to my channel. All right, so let's pull that up. So what we have here is they've given us a function, g of x, and they want us to graph it on the axis below. Now, I'm going to show you how I want you to do this. This is an easy 2 points if you do exactly what I tell you to do here. So the very first thing, it says g of x is equal to the square root of x plus 3, and they want us to graph it on this axis. So what they want us to do is they want us to plot at least 3 points, and then they want us to draw the best curve that we can and indicate if it goes forever or if it stops. So we just go to the graph, press tab, and then we just do control, and then we're doing x plus 3, x plus 3. Boom. There you go. All right, so that's what our graph should look like. It should look like this. You can see, or I hope you can see that you have these. This right here is the start of the graph, and it goes off the screen. So going off the screen is something that tells you that it's going to infinity. So you got to indicate that on the graph. But I need some points. You always have to plot at least 3 or 4 points. So I'm going to do Control T for the table. Now the table always starts at 1, 2, or it starts, the x value always starts at 1. But in this case, we need to be over here to this negative side. So let's just arrow up, just go up. Now, if you go up too far, you see you start getting this error message. So that means we're over here. We don't want to be over here. We want to start. So we're going to start at a -3. So we're going to create a table. So I want you guys to see what I'm doing. So I'm going to go over here. This is x. This is g of x. So we have a -3, 0. Let me see if I can move this over like this. And then we have a -2, 1. Now we don't want to use anything that has decimals, so we keep going down until we no longer have decimals. So there's another point. So I'm going to bring this back. That's going to be 1, 2. Let's see. Is there another point that I can find? Let's see. There's one, 6, 3. Now we got more than enough points. So if I go back to my spreadsheet, now I'm just going to plot these. So a -3, 0 is going to be, you go to the left 3 and you stay on the x-axis. That's 1 point. A -2, 1, you go over to the left 2, go up 1, and you plot it there. And then you go 1, 2, so you go to the right 1, and then you go up 2. And then 6, 3, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the right, and then we're going to go up 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, so once you get this, now you're just going to try to draw the best line that you can. Now, you see, I kind of missed that point, but that's okay. But as long as they see that you've tried to go through those points, that's all that matters. This would be 2 points, an easy 2. Also, they're looking at my table. They see I've got my table. I've tried to go the points. I put an arrow on this. Now, even if you don't use an arrow, you got to make sure it goes all the way off the page. That's the only exception to not using an arrow. If it goes off the page, then they give you credit for that, all right? But this is 2 points, and that's as simple as I can make it. All right, so let me stop this.